Here we have yet another situation where we could have been of benefit and value to a hardscaper. This patio was installed 3 years ago, and when it was installed, they had to dig a footer for this outside wall. You see how close it is to this crabapple tree. And now the client has called us out to take a look at it because it's taken 3 years for it to start to go into decline. All on the side, where he actually witnessed them ripping roots out. This side looks great. So, if you install patios, or are going to have a patio installed, or any kind of hardscaping work, give us a call first. We can come up with a tool and do some pneumatic excavation. We can cut a trench, locate roots, and if they need to be cut, cut them cleanly, and then amend the soil for vitality.